everyone, I would like to show you how I recreate this simple hairstyle. It's just a messy loop bun hairstyle. Take no time at all to do. First, I just prep the hair. I've just give the crown of the hair with an elastic band. I just take a section off of it, tie that away nice and secure, and smooth it out a little bit with the tail comb. Then when you have a ponytail, just spray a bit and then pinch and pull the hair. All the product I use will be in the description below. Then I split the bottom section in half of the ponytail, and all we're going to do is just to make a little loop to it and then just pull it through. Pinch and pull that bit just to make it a bit more volume to it. Split the bottom section in half, tie that away too, and then split the top bit. Put the hair through it and just pull it through. All you're going to have is loop to it. Pinch and pull that out a bit. Then repeat the same thing on the right section. Like so. We're going to have 3 loop to it. Pinch and pull that out a little bit just to make it nice and big. And then the bottom section, do the same thing. Just do a little loop to it again. Pinch and pull that out a bit more. Repeat the same thing in the middle section. We're going to have 3 loops at the bottom and 3 at the top, like this. There you go. Then bring the left section over to the right section, over the ponytail, and then pin that away with some more bobby pin. Use as much as you need to make it nice and secure. Then bring the left section and just pass it through on the top bit that we've done earlier. Pin that away nice and secure. Then on the right section, put that through it again, just to have like a little loop it through. Pin that away with some more bobby pin. You use as much as you need again. Then on the bottom ponytail, all we're going to do is roll it up and then tuck that under. Use as much bobby pin again, make it nice and secure. And the 2 side bits we have, when you finish pinning all the way, all we're going to do is just tuck that out, spin it around, tie it with an elastic band, and then tuck that underneath the bun. So it's hide it all the way. Use as much bobby pin just to make it all secure. Then all we're going to do is spray it, pinch and pull it out a bit just to make it nice and big. Use some more hairspray, and this is the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. Thank you for watching my video, really appreciate it.